Hiking up the Bamforth Ridge Trail on Camel's Hump today. It's about a 12.4 mile round trip. I'm slack packing. I only have a hip belt on, so I'm planning on it taking about 7 hours round trip. Not too long on the top. So we'll see how it goes. It is 3,700 vertical feet, so it's one of the longer climbs in Vermont. Camera's shaking because of the wind. Still have some ground to cover. Looks like I'm about halfway. Another 3 miles or so. I'm thinking the trail goes right along this ridge. Pretty much. There have been some ups and downs. Definitely more than 3,700 vertical when you count all the ups and downs. There's Bolton Mountain. It's 36 or 3,700 feet high, and here's the hump. If we can see any people on top. Little bump on the top is about 400 vertical feet from the area right below it. A little notch there. Looking west. Can't really see the Adirondacks very well, although the majority are behind this green part of Camel's Hump here. And the hump's coming into view. Closer, but as with most peaks, they're much further away than they appear to be. Here's another natural staircase going up the rock here. I'll move and you get a better picture. Okay, the staircase comes back down. See a little arrow. Goes back up. Follows the rock, and we'll see where it goes from there. I'm looking at the staircase from the other side. It comes up and over this rock, straddles a crack that you couldn't possibly fall into unless you really tried. If you did, you'd be stuck. But you can stay on the inside track here and kind of keep a hand on the rock, and it's quite safe. Here's Bolton Mountain again with the chin of Mount Mansfield, the highest point in Vermont. The shoulder. Chin is 4,400 feet almost, and the hump is so close I can taste it now. Well, you know what I mean. There's the Champlain Valley. Surprising number of clouds today. The Adirondacks are not very visible, at least not the high peaks. See some of the lesser ranges of the Green Mountains towards the west here. This is down towards the village of Huntington. So, what has brought you to the top of Camel's Hump today?
Qu'est-ce qui fait que tu es venu à la montagne aujourd'hui?
Parce qu'il fait beau.
Because it's sunny. Okay. Puis ensuite?
C'est beau. Quand on regarde d'ici.
He likes the view.
Excellent, moi aussi. And
the people and it's cold.
yes, c'est très froid. Have you climbed other mountains?
Dis-le.
On
Qu'est-ce qu'on a fait la semaine passée?
a fait
And how old are you? 7?
7, yeah.
Yes, excellent. How old do you think I am? Okay.
You're 34.
You think you
That's very close. I'm 57 years old. Will you promise me that you'll still be hiking when you're 57 years old?
Est-ce que tu vas encore faire de la montagne? Ouais, tu lui promets? Tu aimes beaucoup ça?
Merci beaucoup. Fist bump? All right. Got sustained winds of 40, 45 miles an hour right now. Have to be careful that the gust actually almost knocked me over. It's gusting to maybe 55. Strong northwest winds, pretty cold. Here's the Monroe skyline. Looking to the east, we really can't see much in the White Mountains today. We can see Moosilauke and the Franconia Ridge. That's about it, not the Presidentials. Looking to the west, we can see the Adirondacks. They're in and out of the clouds. We've seen Whiteface and Esther. We've seen Algonquin, Marcy, Giant and Dix. But again, the visibility is a little limited today. But this is Camel's Hump. This is the first mountain that I ever climbed, first 4,000 footer, 34 years ago. Really instilled my love of the mountains. This is about the 5th or 6th time I've been up here. Try to come up by different trails sometimes. And it's still one of the most beautiful mountains that I've been on. Got a natural sidewalk here. It's always kind of nice. A little rougher than your city sidewalk, but hey. Here's a trail marker standing like a priest watching over us. Blueberries. This is going to slow me down a little bit here.